Welcome to Chipy.com, a community of dedicated members who share a passion for casino games and gambling adventures. We are proud to have you here with us, and as a token of appreciation, we have designed a reward system that will make your experience even more rewarding. In this video, we will focus on experience points and level progression, two key features of our reward system that will help you unlock new benefits and items in our community shop. So, what are experience points? Experience points reflect your activity and seniority on our site, and the various actions you take part in during your time spent here. Once you earn enough experience points, you level up, and each new level opens up new opportunities for buying premium items in our community shop. So how can you earn experience points? You can gain them through a variety of actions on our site, such as rating our casino games, rating a bonus on our bonus blog, or trying a new casino and sharing your experience with the community by posting a helpful casino review. We have a complete list of actions you can take to earn experience points, as well as the corresponding value for each action and details explaining each one of them. You can find this list on our site. Once you reach a certain level, you can enjoy new items or benefits. With each new level you reach, you are rewarded with 100 coins multiplied by the new level to give you a boost in your gambling adventures. But keep in mind that some items in our community shop require you to be at a certain level in order to buy them. To see how many experience points you need to progress from one level to another, check out the table on our site. So, where can you check your level and experience points? You can always check your level in our site's header. But that's not all. We also have a leaderboard and monthly competition that you can participate in. Every action you take on our site contributes to your final ranking at the end of the month. The most active players will win prizes, including real money prizes and coins. To learn more about the benefits you can enjoy as a registered user here on Chipy.com, check out our guides on what are coins and Chipy's members' benefits. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Keep earning those experience points, level up, and enjoy the rewards that come with being an active member of our community.